everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your internet faster for free without buying anything extra. And this is only for Windows computers. If you have a Mac, I can't help you right now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is press the Windows key and R at the same time. Then you're going to type in ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Then you're going to find what your network is here. Mine is this one. So you're going to right-click it, click on Properties. All right. Then we're going to go to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Then you're going to go to use the following DNS server addresses. Make sure that's selected. And type in 1.1.1.1. And then the alternate 1.0.0.1. This is a DNS server. It's basically when you type in a domain, the computer only understands IP addresses, which is like a code that says where the website's located. And so DNS is really important, and often your internet service provider will provide you with one, but they're often very slow because a ton of people are using them. This is by a company called Cloudflare, and it's trusted, and it's actually the best alternate DNS server you can find. Then you're going to click OK, close, and close. There you go, everyone. Thanks for watching, and, well, that's it. Hope your internet's faster. Don't forget to like and subscribe.